Hari Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Perivasharanam. Today we are going to look at yet another very interesting anecdote. I will give you some clues. Try and find out about whom are we going to talk today. He is one of our favorite, dearest and treasured God. He has come in Ramayana and Mahabharata. When we talk about bhakti, for that word he is an epitome, an embodiment. I'm sure you would have found by now. Not yet found? Let me give you one more clue. In Ramayanam, he played a very critical role in uniting Sita with Sri Rama. Now you must have got it. For all of us, our blue-eyed boy, yes, Hanuman. Today, we will see Lord Hanuman, his birth, and when he was a young little boy, he has done lot of mischievous things. We will see one of his mischievous activity as well. Long ago, in the mountains of Meru, there was an ashram of the great sage Gautama. A monkey couple, Kesari and Anjana, lived in this hermitage. Anjana once was a celestial maiden and was turned into a monkey woman due to a curse. Kesari and Anjana, they belong to the Vanara community, which refers to a group of people living in forests in the Hindu epic the Ramayana and various versions. In the Ramayana, the Vanaras help Rama defeat Ravana. It was said that Anjana's curse would be removed if she gives birth to an incarnation of Lord Shiva. She prayed intensely to Lord Shiva. Her wish soon came true. When King Dasharatha performed a yajna to have children, he was blessed with a sacred payasam, porridge. He wanted to share this porridge with his wives, Kaushalya, Kaikai and Sumitra. Then Vayu Bhagavan, the wind god, carried a portion of this porridge and gave it to Anjana. As soon as she drank it, she felt the blessings of Lord Shiva. Vayu, the god of wind, appeared and blessed her and said, "You will be a mother of a boy who will possess intellect, strength and speed and courage and the power to fly." Then Anjana gave birth to a handsome monkey-faced child. Kesari and Anjana named him Bajrang. It consists of two words, Bajrang and Bali. Bajrang means a strong iron-like body. Bali means very powerful. Other names of our beloved, cutest Lord Hanuman are Pavanaputra, meaning son of wind, Maruti, Kesari Nandana, son of Kesari, Anjani Putra and Anjaneya, son of Anjana. Hanuman grew up as a strong and mischievous young lad. One day, Anjana and Kesari went to attend to their regular chores when Bajrang was sleeping. Bajrang, who woke up after some time, called, "Amma, where are you, Amma? I'm hungry, Amma. Please give me some food." He wanted to eat something. Suddenly his eyes fell on the horizon where the sun was rising in all its splendor. It looked like a big, ripe, delicious fruit. Hanuman thought, "Wow, what a ripe fruit. Let me grab it and eat it." Having been blessed by Vayu Bhagavan with strength to fly, Hanuman leaped up towards the sun and soon was flying with great speed. Seeing his little son, Vayu Bhagavan got scared. He thought, "I should protect him from the heat of Surya Bhagavan, the sun god." It so happened that it was the day of solar eclipse. Rahu was proceeding to swallow the sun. Bajrang wanted to save his fruit, so he tried to scare Rahu away. Rahu fled from the scene in terror. Rahu went to Lord Indra and told him what happened about the monkey chasing him away. Lord Indra got furious and threw his special weapon, Vajrayudham. Vajrayudham was so powerful, it hit the little Hanuman, and Hanuman fell unconscious on the ground and broke his cute little chin. Vayu saw this and got very angry and went inside a cave, taking the little boy. Then he said, "I will punish everybody who hurt my cute little son. I will stop blowing on the earth. There will not be any wind." Then the wind stopped, so all living beings suffered. Gods also were greatly disturbed Devas went to Lord Brahma and pleading with him to do something and pacify Vayu. Brahma told Lord Indra, "You heard a small boy who came hunting for food because he was hungry." Indra felt very bad for what he did. Then Lord Brahma said, "Let us go and talk to Vayu Bhagavan." Both of them, Lord Indra and Lord Brahma, approached Vayu Bhagavan and said, "Please apologize, Lord Indra." Then Brahma took Bajrang in his lap and caressed him. Immediately the child got up and sat. He paid his respects to all of them. Then Lord Indra blessed him, saying, "In future, no weapons can injure you, my little one." Brahma blessed him with immortal life and said, "Death will never harm you, my baby." Fire, Agni god said, "Fire will never harm you." So Hanuman, who was Shiva himself when he grew up, he served Sri Ram and destroyed Ravana, the demon king of Lanka. Hanuman was very strong, intelligent and kind to all living beings. He was a sincere worshipper and incomparable devotee of Sri Ram even till date. He practiced devotion and sacrifice. Through selfless service and devotion, he won the love of Lord Rama and his family and could think of nothing else but their comfort. So this is a short video which talks about how mischievous the cute little Hanuman was. So let us explore and see what other mischievous things he did. I'll come back again with yet another cute little story about Lord Hanuman shortly. Till then, goodbye, stay safe and take care. Perivasharanam.